This video will show you how to charge the battery for your smart video keypad. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. The video keypad uses a rechargeable battery. If your battery needs to be charged, you'll see a low battery icon in the top corner of the video live stream. To get more information about the battery charge status, tap Settings. You can also get to Settings for your video keypad from the home screen. On the video preview, locate the three dots in the lower right corner. Tap the three dots. On the Settings page, tap Battery. On the battery screen, you'll see an icon and a message about the battery status. When your battery reaches 30% charge, you'll be advised to recharge your battery. If you want the app to walk you through how to recharge your battery, tap Battery Recharge Tips. We'll show you what to do in a moment. If you're not in the myQ app, you'll receive notifications reminding you to charge your battery when it gets to 30% and more frequently when the battery gets to 10% charge. When the battery reaches 5% charge, the video keypad will go into low power mode. The indicator light will remain off. The camera and any online features will be disabled. You will not be able to view the live view or work with the PIN code setup. You will still be able to enter PIN codes on the keypad to activate the garage door until the battery reaches 0% charge. The battery needs to be removed in order to charge it. You can follow along with these steps in the myQ app. Remove the screw that secures the video keypad to the mounting plate and keep it in a safe place. Remove the battery cover. Remove the battery. The video keypad is supplied with a USB charging cable. Plug the cable into the battery. Plug the battery into a power outlet using an appropriate USB charger. A red indicator light shows the battery is charging. When the indicator light turns green, the battery is fully charged. Keeping a spare battery charged is the best way to ensure your video keypad stays up and running. Replacement battery part number VKP1-myQ-BT1 is available from myQ.com. Unplug the battery and store the cable in a safe place for the next time. Reinstall the battery into the video keypad. Replace the battery cover. As the keypad reconnects to your home network, the indicator light will turn solid white, followed by blinking blue and green, then blinking green, and finally solid green. Once the charged battery is installed, no additional setup is needed. The video keypad will automatically reconnect to your home network. You'll be able to see live video in the myQ app. Reattach the video keypad to the mounting plate and secure it in place with the screw. That's it. For more information, visit support.chamberlaingroup.com. Thank you for choosing myQ.